Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Louisa Higbe Irene of Capsulate. Let's go there. Today I'm talking about the power of a mother. The woman has been configured by God in such a way that she's so powerful. She's so powerful for the next generation. God gave her a womb, God gave her a breast, God gave her everything that she needed to move the generation to the next level, to get the next generation. God endowed woman so much. And so, most of the things that power, the powerful woman is that woman that knows who she is. A powerful woman is that woman that knows their strength, that knows that whatever she learns is for the next generation. Whatever she gives out tomorrow is for the next generation. That is the powerful woman. A powerful woman is that woman that knows how to take care of her children, that knows that has behavior. This behavior I'm displaying, will it be of benefit to my kids? Will it be of benefit to my husband? Will it be of benefit to my home? Listen, children learn faster from mothers than children learn faster from mothers than fathers. And so if you were not well trained in your parents' home, and you get married and you give birth to children, you discover that these children will grow up not being well trained. A woman is a woman that sits down and check her behavior and check her character to see if her character is in line with God's word, if her character is in line with the standard that God gave to train up children. Because the reason why we have funny kind of temperament today, funny kind of behaviors, is because mothers don't see themselves as role models. They don't see themselves that whatever they do, you can say, is the father. Let me tell you something. The father's own, you are always with the child right from the birthing, right from the time you birthed that child. You have been with the child. So the child learns more from you as a mother. You are very powerful. You are a very powerful tool in God's hand. Every mother today, rise up, use your power positively, change your generation, teach your children what to do, so that when they grow up and get married and start giving up birth to their children, then their children will learn good things. You may say, while we're talking about the female, the science have proven that attribute, that higher percentage of behavioral attribute comes from mothers. That is what science have proven. Science have proven that if a child wants to grow up in the fear of the Lord, if a child wants to grow up to understand society, if a child wants to grow up to have a good behavior, well groomed for the society, for a child to be benefit to the society, the mother has role to play, a very high role to play. If you say, what of people that don't have mothers and their mother died when they gave birth? The mother role, the mother figure in that person's life did. So if you want to have a mentally balanced child, you want to have a mentally balanced society, a society that is emphatic, a society that is sensible, a society that uses their brain. If you want our society to change tomorrow, we have to use our powers as mother. We have to use our powers as a man. It's very important that we know these things and work in it. Use your power today, the one that God has given for you to change generation, to change our life, to change the atmosphere. Use that power today as a woman, and you will be glad you did. Use that power today as a woman, and you will see your generation be a beautiful one. Use that power in you as a woman, and you will see your children come out really good. Work on yourself as a woman, as a girl, so that our next generation will not be detrimental to the world, so that we will not destroy the next generation. So mothers, wake up today and use your power to change our generation, or to correct the ills in this world. Once more, this is Louisa Higbe Irene of Capsulate. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for viewing. God bless you.